Question hook: ever wondered if there's a cap on how much you can send or receive using Monzo? We've all been there, needing to make a big transfer or receive a hefty sum. So, let's dive into the world of Monzo transfers and find out if there's a limit. Building context. Monzo overview. Before we get to the limits, let's quickly recap what Monzo is. It's a UK-based digital bank known for its sleek app, fee-free spending, and a range of features. Transfer types. Monzo offers various transfer methods, including instant transfers. These are typically faster and might have different limits. Scheduled transfers. You can set up transfers for a future date. International transfers, sending or receiving money across borders. Addressing the main question, is there a limit? Domestic transfers. Instant transfers. While Monzo doesn't have a strict daily limit for instant transfers, there might be internal limits based on your account activity and risk assessment. Scheduled transfers. These usually have no specific daily limit. International transfers. Incoming transfers. There's generally no limit on incoming international transfers. Outgoing transfers. Monzo might have limits on outgoing international transfers, especially if you're sending large sums to high-risk countries. Factors affecting transfer limits. Account age. Newer accounts might have lower limits initially. Verification level. Your account verification status can influence limits. Account activity. Frequent and large transfers might trigger reviews. Risk assessment. Monzo uses algorithms to assess risk and adjust limits accordingly. Additional considerations. Fees. While Monzo is generally fee-free, there might be charges for certain international transfers or exceeding limits. Currency conversion. If you're transferring money between different currencies, there might be conversion fees. Regulatory compliance. Monzo must adhere to local and international regulations, which can affect transfer limits. Real-world examples. Case Study 1. Share a personal experience or a story from a viewer about a large transfer they made without issues. Case Study 2. Discuss a situation where someone faced a transfer limit and how they resolved it. Tips for managing transfer limits. Verify your account. Ensure your account is fully verified to increase your limits. Plan ahead. If you anticipate large transfers, notify Monzo in advance. Consider alternatives. If you frequently need to transfer large sums, explore other options like wire transfers or specialized services. Conclusion. Recap. Summarize the key points about Monzo transfer limits. Call to action. Encourage viewers to share their experiences or ask questions in the comments. End sharply. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.